the richest people in the world only talk on the phone. That's all they do. They only talk on the fucking phone. Think about it again. You don't see them in front of a computer. Their job is to think really big and lead people. And I'll give an example for you. Google's entire philosophy was they are going to hire on the smartest people in Silicon Valley and let them go to work. Obviously, you had to have a good leader in place, but they aren't doing too bad, right? So I sit here and think, okay, what's the number one skill I need to develop to get where I want to go? Leadership. If I can convince everyone who's smarter than me that if they work for me, they can achieve whatever they wanted, and I can help them get there, and I can paint the vision to do it, I win. Flat out, I win, right? I have to solve a really, really big problem, and I have to think, and I walk around, right? And or I do my thing, but that's my synergy, and I can lead them. I can help them grow. I'm leading them in every direction that we're going. I'm leading the company. I win. Now all I'm doing is I'm on the phone. Think about that next time you're thinking about developing some Mickey Mouse skill to where, okay, is this skill really going to serve me, or can I hire it out? Can I cut down the time to get the skill, or is it really even necessary? Because truly, as a business owner, I think the number one skill you need to grow and scale and get at a high level is leadership. And with that leadership, you develop other leaders who, hence, keep developing more and more great leaders. You got a bunch of fucking badasses running around. That is the goal for business. For me, I don't know if you guys have a different opinion, let me know. But I see that as truly the number one way you can make as much money as humanly possible. As much money as you want. If you can be a good leader, you don't need to develop any other skills, right? Good, soft skills. We can always learn marketing. And as even leadership is somewhat marketing to humans, right? Leadership is still sales to humans. Like it's more complex than it sounds. But if you learn that skill, you win no matter what. I had some dudes come up to me the other day at Justin Young's meetup. Shout out Justin. It was a great meetup. And like, oh man, what do I need to do more? What do I need to do more? Like, how am I going to get farther? I was like, you need to be able to learn how to lead people. If you can't lead people, you're not going to go anywhere, because you're going to hit a wall to where you're doing all the shit on by yourself, and then you hire on someone, then you're an asshole, right? You're an asshole. You treat your employees like shit. You treat your partners like shit. Nothing goes anywhere. You're just a fuck. Nobody wants to work with you. You have zero leverage. Zero. Zip. Zilch. No leverage. You have absolutely zero leverage going for you now. Yes, you can leverage money, but the ultimate leverage is other people's time. I can't buy back time. I can't create more time. I can't create more moments with my son, right? I can't buy that. So the number one way to leverage your way the best is by developing more leaders.